Dude, this is called reggae and calypso.
Yo, you have to share them slips and I want some street, man. Yo, she only dance to reggae and calypso. She won't got man in her title. She only dance to reggae and calypso.
Oh,
She only dance to reggae and calypso.
calypso.
Got bare bomb bang for a rival. KK, I'm claiming that title. They hear what's in and slide through. Do my dance
Oh, the old guy.
like
who,
the
the,
new age
who the
Jackson
hell is that
Michael.
old guy, bro?
Chip not do my dance like and slide through. Title. They hear what's in and
Who the hell is this? Look at this kid. This kid's like, what the fuck am I doing here, bro? Get the hell, let me get out of here quick. I wanna leave.
slide through. Do my dance like she can go viral. Like the new age Jackson Michael. Ganja with little chip not idle. Section girl, take her back as a cycle. We don't slide, we glide and ride. Slam time, everyone hold band. It's the other side where we let that shine. Won't fuck, make your girlfriend mine. Just chat when he ain't on piss. I could buy breast for my favorite bitch. All of these things do
Oh,
amazing things. My reckless slip from an Asian ting. Unforgettable dick, have a girl falling. Cause I made her pump, push my hood all in. Now she's on all four, but she ain't calling. Give her the all night till the next morning. She only dance to reggae and calypso. She won't got my
man, you know it's funny? The UK scene is so different from America, bro. Like, I don't know, bro. See, all these dudes, I don't know if they get their style from America, bro. Like, the rap scene and stuff like that, but it's kind of crazy when you think about it. You'd assume that this is America if you didn't hear their voice.
got bare bomb bang for a rival. KK, I'm claiming that title. They hear what's in and slide through. She only want killy milly, she don't want them man. Give a man a business, pepper that trapper man. Tryna get them man, book, bam bam. Suns out, guns out, blow bang bang bang. GMRC, I'll come like a tally.
Although I know that America was basically born from the UK because UK actually did own America first, and then they have the war and stuff like that. So, yeah, yeah, that was a thing.
She's mad, but I'm a man, a ex is a waste man. Now she got a bad man. Stay with my killy killy, can't trust a bagger man. We don't party poop, we party shop. We get the party locked. Dot or a big 6 shots. Turn madman when I get pissed off. They see madman and the casket off. They're mashing my ab, they kick car lift off. 4-4 bulldog and it's barking off. Spot my target, then I'm clarting off. Michael Jackson bad, one of a kind when I'm rolling camp. But they just talk and then it looks sad.
Dude, it's been so long since I've listened to some grime, bro. They actually sound good, bro. Like crazy. I like the vibes.
It was me that made your gal tiptoe. Why?
Mmm.
And calypso.
Make a girl tiptoe, dude.
To reggae and calypso.
You know when you get a tiptoe, bro. You know what that mean, bro. She's going to cloud 200, not even cloud 9. That's too low. Cloud 200. Waterfall.
Ridiculous, man. Rats is vital. She only dance to reggae and calypso. Got bare bomb bang for a rival. KK, I'm claiming that title. They hear what's in and slide through. Got bare bomb bang for a rival. She won't got man in her title.
Yo, the old guy is kind of funny though. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if he's like a MC. Cause he got the voice thing going on.
Ridiculous, man. Rats is vital. They hear what's in.
Oh damn, he's probably popular. But listen, I don't know who that is. I don't know. I'm guessing he's probably Russ Million. I don't know who it is, bro. I'm gonna be honest. I'm not really. Even though I watch a lot of UK music video back in the days, most of these guys are probably new, so it's been a while. But I'm gonna probably look him up and see who he actually is.